Hey, Reese. Oh, well, show us what you can do. Oh, you can roll over. Good job. And put your toes in your mouth. Well, this is a nice little video of all the things Reese can do.
Reese, roll over.
You're going to take a nap? Show us what you can do. Okay, don't fall off. Oh, good job. Hi, Reese. Can you smile for the camera? Oh, be careful. Show us you sitting up. Daddy's going to help you. Yeah. You don't like to stay seated long, do you? Can you give us some little crawl moves? A lot of rolling. Reese, girl, say dada. Dada. Legs are starting to work for the crawling. We've got a new ponytail today. It's the first time she's got a ponytail. Show him your ponytail. Oh, it's about bedtime. Say bye-bye, Reese. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you wave? Bye-bye. Okay. Bye-bye.